You've heard the saying, the dog ate my homework? Well, this is the case of the dog ate my porch railing. A couple of puppies were out here and they had gnawed partly through this bottom rail of the porch railing. So I'm going to repair it using one of Danny's favorite products, auto body filler. I started by cutting 2 plywood forms, one to fit underneath and one to fit on top of the rail. And this one I had a notch to fit around these 2 balusters. Then I lined them with painter's tape so they wouldn't stick in place, and I just clamped them, making sure they were perfectly flush with the face of the rail. That's really important. Held them in place with 2 clamps. Then I took the auto body filler and mixed it according to the directions, and I applied it to the front of this rail using a plastic putty knife. Now it's been about 35-40 minutes. It's hard, so I can take off the forms. I'm going to pop off the clamps, remove the plywood. There's that painter's tape I was talking about earlier. And you can clearly see how the putty filled in. This was all rotted away, same thing on the bottom, it filled it in. And because the forms were flush, you got a nice square edge, like a brand new piece of wood. Now I'm just gonna sand it with 100 grit sandpaper, prime it and paint it. You'll never know that patch was even made.